Garmin STRIKER Plus 7CV Review. Real sonar proof and custom maps that actually work. You know that feeling when you're out on the water, staring at a blank screen, watching everyone else pull fish while you're left guessing in the dark? I've been there. A buddy of mine once sat over what he swore was a perfect spot for 3 full hours, only to head home empty-handed because his old fish finder couldn't tell structure from mud. Sound familiar? That frustration builds fast when every cast feels like a coin flip. You're burning fuel, losing daylight, and second-guessing every move you make. The tension is real. The quiet burnout from unproductive days on the water starts to chip away at the very reason you showed up. But imagine if your gear could cut through that uncertainty and give you real clarity. Everything changed when I found the Garmin STRIKER Plus 7CV with CV20 TM transducer and protective cover. This isn't just another fish finder. With Chirp Clearview scanning sonar, you get clean, near-photographic images beneath your boat, so fish, structure, and bottom detail finally make sense at a glance. Whether it's a suspended school of crappie or a hidden timber pile, you see it clearly. The built-in GPS lets you mark precise waypoints and track your speed effortlessly. Quick Draw Contours creates your own custom maps with 1-foot contour detail across up to 2 million acres, even on waters no one has charted before. And that sunlight-readable 7-inch LCD keeps everything sharp, even under harsh midday glare. One angler I know was seconds away from calling it quits on a slow morning when his unit lit up a massive school tight to a ledge he had mapped earlier. He stayed and he limited out. Drop a comment if that kind of turnaround sounds worth chasing. Once the STRIKER Plus 7CV becomes part of your setup, your entire fishing rhythm changes. You stop guessing and start knowing. Reviewers consistently point out how impressive the Chirp sonar target separation is, clearly distinguishing fish from structure at a level usually found in far more expensive units. One kayak angler, who upgraded from a smaller screen, described it as the difference between squinting at a sticky note and reading a full map. Analysts have rated it highly for its split-screen versatility and even its ice fishing capability, extending its usefulness beyond just one season. Everyday anglers call Quick Draw Contours a true game-changer, especially on lakes without preloaded maps. And if you're wondering about the learning curve, it's surprisingly smooth. Most users are confidently reading sonar and marking waypoints within their first hour on the water. So ask yourself, what would your day look like if you actually knew where the fish were? The Garmin STRIKER Plus 7CV with CV20 TM transducer and protective cover is quickly becoming the go-to choice for anglers who are done leaving great days to chance. Thousands are already using it to find more fish, map more water, and come home with better stories. Results may vary depending on conditions and water type. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. Click through, explore the details, and experience the difference on your very next trip out.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.